Hi, Scott Dillon at MarineMax of Dallas, and we're going to take a look at a Harris 230 Sunliner. So the Sunliner is the step up from the Cruiser. This one is ordered in a solid black with a pillow top interior, which gives you that real nice soft touch vinyl. LED lighting throughout, so LED lights underneath the seat bases as well as the cup holders. All of the cup holders are going to have double USB ports built directly into them. So this boat will have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 USB ports, which is great. In-floor ski locker. This was ordered with stone gray flooring to match the gray interior. Upgraded JL audio system, so JL speakers throughout as well as a JL audio subwoofer and amplifier. This does have the flip-up table in your port side walkthrough, which is nice. Great place to keep, snacks, hold drinks. Cooler slides underneath here really well. A couple built-in cup holders also, but it's also nice that it will fold down out of the way and get out of your way when not in use. Moving back to the back of the boat, this is an SL floor plan, so it does have the flip-flop backrest, which is great because while the boat's moving forward, if everybody wants to sit here, you certainly can, but you have the ability to flip this seat this way to use as a rear-facing spotter seat if you're towing, kids on the tubes and skis or stuff like that. Storage underneath all of the seats, and great storage back here in the back. This entire seat opens up. Right now we got stuff full of covers and table bases and stuff like that. Most people are going to leave their cover in the on the dock or in the truck, so that'll be opened up. But over here on the side, nice built-in cooler that'll self-drain back down into the lake when the ice melts. 3 cup holders over here, 2 over here, as well as another double USB back here. That way, while people are swimming around the back of the boat, you can sit back here and keep your electronics charged. Does have the stern safety railing. That's really important because if you're going to sit back here while the boat's underway, you need the stern safety railing to be legal. So anything you see out there that doesn't have that, you're not going to be legal to sit back here. Transom stereo remote control because it was ordered with the upgraded JL audio system. Also onboard battery charger, so you see the extension cord plugged into the boat. That's great so that no matter where you keep your boat stored, if it's on a lift at your house or it's on a trailer in a garage somewhere, just keep it plugged in. That way you don't have to worry about coming back to a dead battery, or at least less likely chance of it. Nice telescoping 4-step ladder. It's all stainless steel. Really good setup back here on the back of the boat. This also has double Bimini top, which is real important here in Dallas because it's so hot during the summer. Gives you full shade all the way to the front of the boat. This boat hasn't been fully rigged yet, so this will of course get tighter as it gets rigged. But most of the Sunliners we do order them with this nice raised helm. It's nice, because I'm a tall guy, but if you had someone that wasn't as tall sitting here trying to drive the boat and someone taller sitting in front of them, gives you the ability to sit, to sit up and see over top of them instead of having to sit on top of a bunch of cushions, which isn't all that comfortable, or a flip-up bolster seat, which is even less comfortable. The helm itself, 9-inch Simrad built in, so this is going to have chart plotter, GPS, sonar, forward-looking nav, which is great. It's a nice big screen, 9 inches, and it's also pinch to zoom. So if you have a smartphone, you can figure out how to use this really quickly and easily. Wireless cell phone charger, so you can stream music directly to the stereo and then just keep your phone sitting right on the dash and keep it charged, which is great. 12-volt plug over here, as well as a USB and auxiliary port for your stereo. So if you don't want to use Bluetooth to stream to here, if you're just, if a friend isn't out on the boat with you all that often and they just want to plug in and not have their phone being stored here on your Media Master, they don't have to, which is great. Rear view mirror. Since this boat has a 225 horsepower outboard on it, it is a fully digital throttle, which is great. This is also going to have your Mercury Active trim, which is automatic tilt and trim for your engine while underway. So it'll automatically keep your trim down till you get up on plane, automatically trim you up while you're on plane and running. And because you have a GPS and because it it's a digital throttle, it knows when you put the boat into a turn, so it'll automatically put your trim back down for more log in the water for a better, smoother turn. So really, really easy boat to drive, and it makes it really nice. Hope you've enjoyed the the brief walkthrough of the boat. If you have any questions on this or any of the other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We look forward to talking to you soon.